So I discussed all the meanings of these sentences, these phrasal verbs. Look after, look down on, look in, look into, look out, look up, look up to. Now you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate phrasal verbs. Okay. You have to understand the meaning of the sentence, and you have to apply the appropriate word, appropriate phrase. Okay.
Yes.
So the first one is, after a very long spell of heat, the weather is dash at last. What will be the answer? What is the meaning of the sentence for Semi? What is the meaning of this sentence? After a very long spell of heat, the weather is dash at last.
After very
इसके मतलब क्या है? इसके मतलब है कि आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्पेल ऑफ हीट, मतलब बहुत कड़ी धूप के बाद अभी वेदर थोड़ा ठीक हुआ.
ठंडा
ओके, सो ये थोड़ा ठीक हुआ के लिए हम क्या फ्रेज यूज करेंगे? लास्ट दिन सब डिस्कस किया था, देखो इनमें से कौन सी हो सकता है? लुक आफ्टर, टेक केयर ऑफ, लुक डाउन ऑन, डिसअप्रूव, looking or on, make a short visit, look into, investigate, look out, be careful, look up, improve, look up to, admire. Which one should be the answer?
improve.
Take a care of.
No, no, no. How can weather be careful about us? Weather can
Ma'am, improve.
what?
Improve.
Improve. Good. Look up. You have to use this phrasal verb, not this part. Okay, it is the meaning of that. So you have to use this part. So look up. Write down. Write down in your copy. Divya, you also write down. And after today's class, you will all of you submit your copy. Okay. I'll check whether you have written all the answers correctly or not. I will send you the link. Means I will attach the link in scientific
On the
tab.
answer, ma'am.
Yes. Or you can copy the whole sentence if there is no problem. After a very long spell of heat, the weather is dash at last. Good morning.
मैम वो सलोनी दूसरे टीचर को बोल रही है.
Oh, I am thinking that Nancy have joined. Okay, completed the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Divya, complete.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. We have no right to dash people who do small jobs. What is the meaning of the sentence? Divya, what is the meaning, dear? Deep, you also try.
Yes. We have no right to people who do. मैम हम लोग को अधिकार नहीं है कि छोटे लोग जॉब नहीं करते.
नहीं, जो लोग स्मॉल जॉब्स करते हैं, मतलब ज्यादा इनकम नहीं करते, इसमें कोई छोटा मोटा जॉब कर लेते हैं, उससे हम लोग छोटा नहीं कर सकते. ये राइट हम लोगों का अधिकार नहीं है हम लोगों का. ओके. So what will be the appropriate phrasal verb for this blank? See from here.
Ma'am, look down on.
Yes, look down on. Write down. So we have no right to look down on people who do small jobs. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third, Nitin has always dash his uncle who is a self-made man. What is the meaning of the sentence?
Nitin has always has Nitin
Take care
अपने
of.
अंकल
Okay, let
नितिन
me
अपने
say. Deep.
नितिन अपने अंकल से कहता है वो सेल्फ मेड मैन है।
कहता नहीं है, सेल्फ मेड मैन मीन्स जो मतलब है ना, कुछ लोग होता है ना कि अकेला ही सब संभाल सकते हैं, तो ऐसा उसका एक अंकल है जिसको क्या करते हैं, व्हाट शुड राइट इन द ब्लैंक, क्या करते हैं, देखो यहाँ से,
एडमायर।
यस गुड, एडमायर। Write down, Nitin has always, what is the phrasal verb for admire? Look up to. So write down, Nitin has always looked up to his uncle who is a self-made man. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The police are dash the matter thoroughly. So, what?
In which
Ma'am, careful.
No, okay, not careful. What police does generally?
investigation.
Yes. Last day I was talking about CID, right? They all
Yes,
time
ma'am.
do investigation. Okay, so what is the verb for investigate? Look into. So you have to write here the police are looking into. Okay, because there is are, so you have to make it in continuous tense. Okay. The police are investigating means looking into the matter thoroughly. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, completed, then say yes, ma'am. Your writing still good. Done? Okay, I'm going to the
Yes.
next question. If you want to go out, I will dash the children for you. अगर तुम बाहर जाना चाहते हो, I will dash the children for you. क्या करेंगे हम बच्चे को? Say
ये मैम टेक केयर ऑफ.
yes, good. I will look after means take care of. If you want to go out, I will. What will be the answer?
Take care of.
No, not the take care of. You have to write the phrasal verb. What is it? Look after. Okay. I will look after the children for you.
Look after the.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down the next question. I promise to dash on your brother when I visit Lucknow next. So here it is said, I promise to do something. I have to fill up that on your brother when I visit Lucknow. So उसका भाई लखनऊ में रहता है. हम जब लखनऊ में जाएंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे उसको?
Visit.
Yes. So what is the word for visit?
Make a short visit.
Make a short visit, but what is the phrasal verb? Look in
Looking.
or on. Okay. So write down. I promise to
Looking.
on your brother when I visit Lucknow next. I promise to look in on your brother when I visit Lucknow next.
मैम हो गया.
Okay. Dash when you are crossing the main road. जब मेन रोड को क्रॉस कर रहे हो तब क्या करना चाहिए तुम्हें?
Look down on.
Look. Say again. जब हम
Look down on.
नो लुक डाउन ऑन मीन्स किसी को छोटा दिखाना, नीचा दिखाना, जो ऑलरेडी हम लोग कर दिया. स्मॉल जॉब वाले को हमको नहीं करना चाहिए.
Be careful.
यस, बी केयरफुल. हम जब रास्ते को क्रॉस करते हैं क्या बोलते हैं कि गाड़ी आ रहा है कि ये देख लो और केयरफुली जाओ, है ना? सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल आवरसेल्फ. सो लुक आउट. Look out when you are crossing the main road.
Yes, ma'am. Homework.
Done? Okay, so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next part is read the following sets of words loudly and clearly. Okay, so the words are quite similar, but the pronunciation are little different because of the difference of spelling. A little difference of spelling. The pronunciation is also a little different. Okay, I am saying the words
Yes.
and you repeat after me. Okay, say caught. C-O-T, caught.
Coat.
C-O-T, caught.
What, ma'am?
No,
Coat,
no,
ma'am.
you do the spelling and also repeat. Means whatever I am saying, you just say. Okay, C-O-T, caught.
C-O-T, coat.
C-O-A-T, coat.
C-O-A-T, coat.
Divya, I am not hearing your voice. C-O-S-T, coast.
C-O-S-T, cost.
Sorry, C-O-S-T, cost.
C-O-S-T, cost.
C-O-A-S-T, coast.
C-O-A-S-T, coat.
T-O-S-S-E-D, tossed.
T-O-S-S-E-D, tossed.
Okay, T-O-A-S-T, toast.
T-O-A-S-T, toast.
G-O-T, got.
G-O-T, got.
G-O-A-T, goat.
G-O-A-T, goat.
R-O-T, dot.
R-O-T, rot.
R-O-T, wrote.
R-O-T, rot.
B-L-O-T, blot.
B-L-O-T, blot.
B-L-O-A-T, bloat.
B-L-O-A-T, blot.
K-N-O-T, not.
K-N-O-T, not.
N-O-T, note.
N-O-T, not.
Okay, so the next question is each of the following words contain the H sound. Okay, sound. Okay, I am reading. All the words will make sh sound, means sh. So I am reading the words. You repeat after me. Sheep,
Sip,
truss,
grass,
marsh,
march,
passion,
passion,
anxious,
anxious,
shriek,
streak,
shore,
sword,
fish,
fish,
ocean,
ocean,
asses,
asses,
pure,
pure,
nation,
nation,
shoe,
shoe,
pushing,
pushing,
polish,
polish,
mustache.
mustache.
Okay. Okay, so all the portion is done, I think. There is no other portion. I'm going to the next chapter. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Say, what are the games or human activities in which we need trees? And also in some game we use trees. What is that? I was
Ma'am, hide.
yes,
Ma'am, hide and seek.
hide and seek. And the first one, what are the activities?
You also. दूध बिस्किट नहीं दूध हाँ रात
Okay, Divya, can you answer?
अब दोपहर में कौन खाता?
Divya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, what will be the answer? What are the games or human activities which use trees? Oh, you were not in the last class. So, Deep, please explain the poem to her so that it becomes clear for her. Read down the lines and please explain to her. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. What is the meaning?
ये पक्षी मैम पक्षी के लिए ट्री है, चिल्ड्रन के लिए भी ट्री है.
Trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to swings on. हम कल तुम लोगों को ट्री हाउस का पिक्चर भी दिखाया था, है ना?
यस.
हाँ, तब ट्री हाउस क्या है? जो
ट्री हाउस घर बनाने.
हाँ, और क्या है? ट्रीज आर टू swings on. मतलब
ट्री पे हम लोग हवा.
हाँ, कोई लोग झूलना बना के खेलते हैं ट्रीज से, बच्चे लोग. ट्रीज आर फॉर द विंड टू ब्लो थ्रू. जब हवा बहते हैं जोर से तब क्या होता है? ट्रीज की माध्यम से वो बहते हैं. ट्रीज आर टू हाइड बिहाइंड इन हाइड एंड सीक. हम लोग जब हाइड एंड सीक खेलते हैं तब हम लोग ट्रीज को यूज करते हैं छुपाने के लिए खुद को. ट्रीज आर टू हैव टी पार्टीज अंडर. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं? टी पार्टीज करते हैं ट्रीज के अंदर. हम बोल रहे थे कि हम लोगों का यहाँ एक रेस्टोरेंट भी है जहाँ पे सारे सीट क्या है? ट्रीज के नीचे है. एक ही प्रॉब्लम है वहाँ पे, अगर कभी बारिश आ जाता है जोर से तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर भी जगह है. लेकिन बाकी सब टाइम बहुत ही अच्छा फील होता है पेड़ों के नीचे बैठ के लंच डिनर जो भी करते हैं लोग करने के लिए, है ना? और उसको सजाते भी हैं. ये एक नया थीम भी बन गया है. ओके, ट्रीज आर टू हैव टी पार्टीज अंडर. ट्रीज हाइड्स टू गेट caught in. जब हम लोग गुड्डी उड़ाते हैं क्या होता है? कभी कभी अटक जाते हैं वहाँ पे, फंस जाते हैं गुड्डी. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Okay, trees are to make cool shade in summer. Are you saying something, Divya?
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. दीप,
मैम उसका फोन हैंग हो गया है मैम.
ओ दिव्या, तुम्हारा फोन पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है शायद. तुम एक काम करो, तुम तुम्हारा खुद की बुक से खोलो चैप्टर. यू हैव द लिंक विद
मैम कहिए फोन रीस्टार्ट करिए.
you open from your book links so that you can see. Okay, if you can't see my screen, you just open your book.
मैम फोन रीस्टार्ट करिए, ठीक हो जाएगा.
हाँ, लेकिन उसमें तो टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा ना. अभी ये कर अच्छा होगा, बाद में रीस्टार्ट कर लेगा. ओके. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. So trees save us from scorching heat of summer. It gives us shelter. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Winter में कोई shade नहीं देता. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Apples and pears को grow करने में help करते हैं, मतलब fruits होता है trees में. Trees are to chop down and call timber. We chop down trees and say it as timber. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. तो ट्रीज को देख के हम लोगों का मम्मी और पापा क्या बोलते हैं कि कितना सुंदर पिक्चर है ड्रॉ करने के लिए. हम लोग आसपास जब ड्राइंग सीखते हैं, जब सिनारी बनाते हैं, तब क्या करते हैं? ट्रीज का पिक्चर अप्लाई करते हैं, ट्रीज हाउस ये सब लगाते हैं. तो इसलिए बोल रहा है कि व्हाट अ लवली पिक्चर ऑफ पेंट. और क्या होता है शीतकाल में, जब विंटर आ जाता है तब क्या हो जाता है? सारे पत्ते पड़ जाते हैं, है ना? तो what a lot of
Yes.
leaves to rake this fall. Okay, clear, Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the poet is Shirley Bauer. Okay, and now we are coming to the question and answer part. I have revised the poem once, and now you can answer this question. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? What will be the answer?
Ma'am, first में hide and seek game and second में ma'am tree house.
Okay, so write down the answer. The trees are, write down,
One
Divya and Dev, both of you write down the
Yes,
tree.
ma'am.
Okay, write the heading. Always write the chapter's name. Okay. Okay. The trees are used to make the houses.
the tree are
Trees.
used
Trees are used. The trees are used to make tree houses.
tree houses
To swing swings. To swing is W-I-G. Swing and again swings is W-I-N-G-S. Swings. Comma.
in
To
yes
play hide and seek. To play hide and seek. H-I-D. Hide and seek. S-W-E-K. Seek.
hide and seek
Comma. To
comma
get
to get
shade in summer. Okay, always write with pen. Okay, if you're writing in with pencil, then I can't see from the picture. It becomes very hazy.
said yes
Okay, to get shade in summer, comma, to build fire,
summer to
build
build
fire.
fire
Wait, let me check.
to tea. Hmm?
For
Fire for
fire
for
for camp parties. C-A-M-P, camp parties. P-A-R-T-I-E-S, parties.
camp party
Parties in winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter, comma,
in
to get
to get
fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits,
fruit
and wood, W-O-O-D, wood,
food
and for
and for
many more things, many more things,
many more
okay,
things.
things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things,
Oh, yes.
okay. There are 3 more questions. Okay. I am not completing this because Nancy is not here. She has to write it again. Means I have to repeat it again. So,
No, ma'am, photo भेज देंगे.
okay, then continue. 2. Number 2. There is the first question. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Okay, so what is the meaning? Trees are to make no shade in winter. And you have to make contrast this line with the uh, immediate before line, means in which it was said that it gives us shelter in summer. Try. Write down the first answer. It will be trees provide
Trees.
trees provide
Yes, miss.
shade, shade, shade during 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 the scorching scorching heat of summer, scorching heat of summer,
Scorching heat.
of wave of summer, SUMMER.
Oh, summer.
But
But
during winter, during winter,
during winter,
trees shed their leaves,
trees shed
their leaves,
their
leaves, 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 as
as
people
people
people enjoy
people enjoy
sun,
people enjoy sun
people enjoy sun during winters, during winters, full stop.
during winter. Yes, miss.
Hence, HENC, hence, comma, trees are
Trees are
to
to
give shelter, give
give
shelter, shelter in summer
shelter in summer
and to and
and
to
to
make make
make
no shade
no shade
in winter.
in winter.
Okay, the second answer is trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? Say, write down. Yes, yes, comma,
Yes,
I agree, I agree, AGREE,
I agree
that
that
one purpose, one purpose
one purpose
of a tree
of tree
of a tree is
is
Also to provide
Also to provide
fruits. Full stop.
to
Human, humans, humans receive,
human
receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, R-E-C-E-I-V, receive
receive
a lot of,
a
a lot of
lot of
fruits and vegetables, fruits and
fruits,
vegetables
vegetable
from trees.
from tree.
Yes. Okay, the third question is, with the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own in the following examples. No need of that. Okay. Okay, there is no more question. There is a small note about mangrove forest. Do you know what is mangrove forest?
No, no.
Mangrove forest, you will read it in SST. Mangrove is the name of commonly used varieties of shrubs or trees growing in the muddy swamp of tropical coast and estuaries. Mangrove produce tangled roots that grow above the ground. They produce new trunk and thus rapidly form a dense growth. Mangrove timber is impervious to water and is resistant to marine worms. Okay, so, you can see these type of trees in a coastal area, means where there is sea or something, means the soil is salty. There you can see that mangrove trees, its roots come up to take breathe. Okay, that is the
Yes.
speciality of mangrove forest, and you will read it in details in SST. Okay, for here it
Yes.
is. Okay, so I am giving you the link. Submit your copy there. Okay, both this chapter, and write down the chapter's name at the beginning, and also in the PDF in which you are making the PDF, mention the name of the chapter and chapter number. Okay, just write quality chapter 5 and means 5.1 and trees 5.2. Okay, 5 or 6, just check it and write down. Okay, after doing expert detectives and the mystery of talking fan, I will start revising. Okay, I will not go any further. I will start revising from the beginning, from the first chapter. Okay, after completing the revision, then only I will start the new chapter, because you are left with very little chapters. Okay, and only this is July month, so you are getting many time to do revision. Okay, a lot of time, because only the 4 chapters are left. 4 means say total 8, combining story and poem. Okay, I'm giving you the link.